Yeah, but...
Okay, this is stage 2 now.
What the fuck is going on?
I don't know.
What the fuck is wrong with this rainbow?
There is no rainbow.
There is no...
Do you guys see the rainbow? I don't see the rainbow. Sorry. James, you're in your own little world. You see what?
High anymore.
Patrick. No.
Except for body high.
Do you need to smoke like
I don't
weed?
smoke weed.
Yeah, she doesn't smoke those.
No, I'm good.
She has asthma.
No, fuck asthma. Do you have a...
They're at home.
What? Where the fuck are we?
No, I'm
guys-
Hey, let's go to your house.
Do you know where the park is?
Yes, I know.
Go!
We're going.
Go to the park. You guys
Whoa.
All you gotta do is walk straight.
Rainbow!
White rainbow! We're going to the park. Meet